Roborock is a smart home cleaning robot that can vacuum and mop your floors while navigating your home. Experience the future of home cleaning with Roborock, where cutting-edge technology meets effortless convenience. Imagine a smart robot that not only vacuums but also mops your floors with precision, navigating around furniture and obstacles using advanced AI mapping. With powerful suction, intelligent sensors, and app control, Roborock transforms daily cleaning into a completely automated experience, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters. What makes Roborock stand out is its ability to deliver deep, thorough cleaning while being incredibly easy to use. Whether you have pets, carpets, or hard floors, Roborock adapts seamlessly to every surface, ensuring spotless results every time. Its sleek design, long battery life, and smart home integration make it one of the best choices for modern households looking for efficiency, comfort, and innovation in one device.